Hi guys, Primrose here and welcome back. So this is just going to be a short update because I am almost ready to make another houseplant tour this year. I usually make one towards the end of winter and I do one towards the end of summer just so I can um, see how they have been growing for me. And but before I do that, I have a question for you guys, because I have a lot of plants. So my question is, do you prefer to watch a houseplant tour of all of the plants that I have in just a single video, or do you want me to break it down by a section of the house? Because if it's just a single video, it's going to be long and I do not want to rush my houseplant tour, because I know most of you guys wanted to see a slow take of each individual plants. So yeah, please let me know. And so these are what I have growing here, and look at this monstera. I am so happy with this one, and it's huge. It's very tall now, so I am just waiting for it to reach the ceiling, and that will be the sign for me to propagate at least this mature one here. I really wanted it to get thick and bushy because I think I still have some space down there. And over here, I apologize for the lighting. It's not the best. It's a bit dark. The sun has gone out and it's still 3 o'clock in the afternoon. And my ZZ plant, I apologize for the mess down there. I am taking a short break actually. I'm currently taking a short course and I'm just having a break, stretching my back. So I have this little section here. And look at those cut flowers, guys. I don't buy cut flowers, and I actually prefer spending my money on a houseplant rather than spending it on cut flowers unless I have to buy for church. So this came from my father-in-law. He's got some roses and I don't know what this one is called, dahlias, in his veggie patch. And so it is such a treat for me, but I have to be very careful. I experienced it last year. Whenever I bring fresh veg now, bring them in, whether it's from the market or the supermarket, if you have a house plants inside your home, you have to be very careful. I brought in a fresh veg from I bought from the market, and I did not check the vegetables before opening up the package, and as soon as I did that, a lot of this white fluffy insect just flew out of the bag. And since then I am having problems with I think it's mealybugs on some of my plants, and I'm just thankful that it did not spread or went out of control. But I always spend time inspecting them because they get into this tiny spaces that's difficult to get them out. So be very careful when bringing in fresh produce inside your home. And I think this one, it's oh, there you go, you see it just fell. It's still suffering from the really high temperature, and then it drops it down really low, and it's been losing a lot of leaves, but I think it can do it, it can manage. And my calathea, yeah, so please let me know in the comment section below. And I thank you so much guys for watching, and take care, happy growing, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.